Well, hello and welcome to Footsteps and Tire Tracks. I recently upgraded to Davinci Resolve 18.5, as you can see on my screen here now. One of the benefits of this new program is the fact that you can come into your timeline and create subtitles. Easy as that. It really is great. However, I have found an issue. We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. When I create subtitles, I end up, when I export the file, just go across and you can see all the subtitles are there. The great thing is you can actually go in and export your subtitle, which is brilliant if you want to import it into YouTube, like I've started doing. So when we go to export, I'm just going to put this on my desktop. So we've got the subtitle there, and we want to export it as an SRT file. We have other formats available, but that's the one I'm going for, SRT, which is great. However, there is a small issue with it. If I go into YouTube, and I'll bring the video across, and I want to upload that file. I upload with time in. I'll go to my desktop. And there's a subtitle file. You can see it's imported it, but you can also see that we got this hypertext all the way through. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to make a difference with YouTube. However, there's a really easy way to remove it and to go through your file and make sure everything else is all okay. So we're going to cancel out of here, discard the changes, and we're going to open up a Notepad editor, something like Notepad++. And we're going to open the file, back to our desktop, look for a subtitle file, open it up. Now you can see the file in a bit more detail here. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to remove the hypertext from the beginning and the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the search feature and use replace. But a really nifty trick, if you highlight it, what you want to remove first, then go to search and go to replace, you'll see that it's already there. Now what do we want to replace it with? On this occasion, we want to replace it with nothing. So we literally come down to replace all and carefully watch, and there you are, they've gone. Now the other one we want to replace is at the other end. We want to replace that there. So we can literally go in and manually edit it, and exactly the same again, we're going to replace all. Now that's great. Now maybe there's other issues. Well, tire tracks, we don't spell tire tracks like that, do we? And it's all one word for us. So let's highlight that, and we want to replace. So we want to change tire tracks to tire tracks, the way we spell it. So we're going to replace all. So that's the whole document done, just in case it's referred to anywhere else. And if we come down through, we can have a look and see if there's anything else. V. I don't know why it does it VY, but there you are. It's probably my accent. It's not the best of accents, is it? So we'll replace that all through the document, and we'll carry on. Just having a look to see if there's anything else that we can see that it's misheard us, spells it differently to the way we'd expect it to be pronounced. And we look down through very quickly. And this should be relatively straightforward, this one. However, when I've done other videos, when I'm doing my Indonesian series at the moment, I pronounce Yogyakarta, and the way they spell that is quite impressive. There's it comes up some quite good spellings on that one, but it's so easy to go through and change it. So I'm just quickly scanning down through just in case there's anything else I can see that stands out like a sore thumb. Of course, you can change this at a later stage if you notice it at a later stage as well. So it's not the worst thing if you don't notice something not quite right at the beginning. But this is quite easy. And I'm coming down through, and there we are. Yep, that looks good for me. So all we do is literally save it. And we'll minimize that. We'll go back into Subtitles. We'll go back to upload the file with timing. We go back to our desktop, find the file we were editing, open them up, and now you can see tire tracks are spelled properly. There's no hypertext on the beginning and end, and somewhere down here, V has changed as well. I've just noticed as well, markers with a C. But you can manually edit in here as well. Now that would be the only place I mention my name. So we click done. And there it is, all done. So that they're now as subtitles and they're edited the way we want it to do. Hopefully you found this video quite helpful and informative. And if you have, give us a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more videos. See you later, guys. Look after yourself. Bye.